Island. When, from this evening to early tomorrow afternoon. Impacts, at 21.0 feet, approach roads to the county in flood. Route 209 begins to flood. At 22.0 feet, many local roads that connect to Route 209, River Road, and other park roads are closed. Additional details, at 11:15 a.m. Friday the stage was 17.0 feet. Forecast, the river is expected to rise above flood stage early this evening to a crest of 21.4 feet late this evening. It will then fall below flood stage tomorrow morning. Flood stage is 21.0 feet. Flood history, this crest compares to a previous crest of 21.8 feet on May 30th, 1984. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood